Choosing between Fliki AI and Waymark for video creation in 2024 would depend on your specific needs and preferences, as both platforms have their own strengths and weaknesses. Here's a brief comparison. You can use the link in the description to try both of these platforms. Fliki AI is known for its advanced AI capabilities that help automate the video creation process. It offers features like automatic scene generation, text-to-speech conversion, and image/video recognition for content creation. Users can input text or choose from predefined templates, and Fliki AI generates videos based on the input. Waymark is a versatile video creation platform that offers a range of templates and customization options. It provides a user-friendly interface with drag-and-drop functionality, making it easy for users to create professional-looking videos. Waymark offers a library of stock footage, music, and graphics to enhance video projects. If you prefer a straightforward, user-friendly interface, Waymark might be the better option. If you need extensive customization options and control over the video creation process, Waymark could be more suitable. If you're looking for a more automated solution with advanced AI capabilities, Fliki AI might be the way to go. Compare the pricing plans of both platforms and consider which one aligns better with your budget and requirements. Ultimately, the better platform depends on your specific needs, preferences, and the type of videos you want to create. It's recommended to try out demos or free trials of both platforms to see which one suits you best. Don't forget to use the link in the description to try both of these platforms.